What's up, YouTube? It's your boy STL Firearms. We finna get into this unboxing right now. Let's get into it quick. We got a Stoeger STR-9F model. Been waiting. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it already. Comes with attachments. All right, let's get into this. First, we got cable lock. Rapid loader, Stoeger, a little dusty. Ooh. Okay, so first thoughts automatically without even really touching this thing. Let's check this out. All right, guys. So it looks very similar to an M&P 2.0. Very similar, very similar. We got white sights, Picatinny rail, trigger guard, nice flat trigger. This is nice. I like it. Look at this texture on the grip. Oh yeah. Yeah, it couldn't get any closer to an M&P. It really couldn't. Let's listen to this trigger. Check this trigger out. As I play. Ooh. So if you know me, you know I'm really big into sounds. How something sounds tells me a lot. Butter. So we throw this band on it. So I guess that's how it's supposed to look and whatnot. Yeah. Put this here on. Tell me what you guys think. Stoeger STR-9F model. So there is a different one. When I was down there, I seen they had a Stoeger STR-9, but it looked a lot like the Glock, which you guys know I hate Glock. I don't hate, but got my reasons. So it didn't have this. It's cut off about there and it was flat to give you a Glock look. This is what's really giving you that M&P sporty look, you guys. Yeah, I can't wait to take this to the range.